Hello, my name is Dee Dee. Welcome to my Happy Little Farm YouTube channel. Down on my happy little farm, I love taking care of my chickens, geese, turkeys, peacocks, goats, and especially Emma the horse and Toby the donkey. My happy fun day starts early in the morning. Are you ready to meet the animals that live on my happy little farm? Hee-haw! Hee-haw! My name is Toby. I am a donkey. I love to eat grass, hay and watermelons. My name is Prancy. I am a peacock. I love to eat grains, seeds and bugs. Gobble gobble. My name is Buster. I am a turkey. I love to eat fruits, berries and worms. Neigh. Neigh. My name is Emma. I am a horse. I love to eat grass, alfalfa and hay. Ma. Ma. My name is Gilly. I am a goat. I love to eat grass, weeds and sometimes even tree bark. Now that you have met some of the animals that live on my happy little farm, I have a question for you. Which one of my animals likes to eat watermelons? Did you say Toby the donkey? Yes. You are correct. Good job. Thank you for watching my Happy Little Farm YouTube channel. To learn more fun facts about life on my Happy Little Farm, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye now.